Hello, my name is Maria Pinzon. I'm studying the university in the business administration. When I was child, I lived in the country, and I remember the things we had to do with my brothers. In the morning, we go up very early. We had a hot drink, and we went out to the pasture to see the cow and the calf. We milked the cow and left the calf loose to share with his mother on day. We returned home carrying milk. My brother prepared us breakfast, and then we go ready to go to school. In the afternoon, we return at 4 p.m. and we were going to set out the calf to the cow. We returned home to do schoolwork, help our mothers with chores, then we had dinner, and then share family time prior to Rosary and then go to bed. It was the same every day. On Sunday morning, we went to city shopping and the shows, and then in the afternoon we prepared uniforms and work. Then we had dinner, and we all sat down to listen to histories of our grandparents and great-grandfathers, their adventures and their experience and in the past world. No more. Thank you, bye.